Hi guys, good morning again. Pero here. You remember yesterday we talked, I show you the bathroom, we start. Today, I'm waiting for my plumber, Hector. He's running a little late. As you can see, everything is out. We just left the toilet for us can use, and ladies just using the bedroom sleeps. But anyway, we got a little stuff here is going on today. And the new shower is gonna be all the way wall to wall, not like used to here. So we gotta move all this plumbing in this wall. Then all this floor is damaged. As you can see, we gotta remove the whole plywood out. And then this drain, I'm gonna see if we can put it here or here. It's gonna be one of these long ones, long drains. Because lady like to be curbless here, no step. That's what I gotta talk to her about, because it's gonna be a little challenge here. Toilet needs to be moved. She needs more room. Get it. Then center, gotta be 15 inch to finish the line, finish the cabinets. Cabinet is shorter, comes all the way to here. That means I have room, pretty 10 inch, I can move the toilet. This way, the line center. And then the shower is gonna be wider, which is gonna be cool. Walk in, beautiful. Vanity is gonna be here, 48 inch. Special vanity with a lot of these features on. I need to bring the power to the bottom cabinet. Has a compartment. Sorry, my English sometimes is for the hair blower, dryer and stuff, okay? Then we got this crazy mirror. I don't know if I ever saw this mirror before. I think we installed one similar for the art. See, this vanity goes, see this picture, special order of course. It's gonna be recessed in. Recessed means frame, push in a wall. But this mirror is a 7 inch thick, complete. That means if I leave it 2x4, it's gonna be sticking out a lot. And that means I need to reframe it, cut it and push it in there. It's gonna stick out maybe 1.5 inches, which is good. Yeah, and that's about it. And then I can start closing with the sheetrock, taping, and all the stuff, all the goodies. But that's gonna be next week, probably, guys. I wanna show you, guys, I just wanna show you this cabinet. It's a interesting piece. It's kinda, lady ordered through Home Depot, but I like about it, it's no damage at all. Because a lot of times when you order online on Home Depot, all these guys, damage, and then allow you to open the box in a store, then allow you to do it. Everything looks perfect. Like I mentioned in the bathroom, this cabinet, as you can see, it's gonna be right here on the bottom. And I need to bring the power, and this is gonna be plugged in on the back. And we got this guy here, USBs and 2 plugs for anything. Yeah, excellent quality of the wood, but color is great, very good color. Yeah, you know, it's expensive, you know, but good stuff is always more cost, of course. You want to get cheap. Sink is gonna be undermount sink. It's a white porcelain sink, as you can see right here. And it's gonna be like this, right here, boom. And we got this beautiful piece, which is quartz. I want to show you, beautiful piece. See, beautiful. I mean, I saw a lot of quartz, but this one is different. And it's gonna be on top, and they give you a little backsplash. One side only. I wonder why they didn't give her another one to here. Because they call these freestandings. And it's gonna be a little bit off the wall. That's why you can't put a backsplash. I'll figure out something. I'll figure out something. Yeah, I just want to show you. That's gonna be it. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Ta-da!